What's going on, guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to explain how to install Docker and Docker Compose on a brand new Linode virtual machine hosted in the cloud. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So again, we're starting from a blank Linode install. This is running Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and we are going to go through the process of installing the Docker engine as well as Docker Compose so that we can deploy Docker containers that are running the applications we care about. The first thing you always want to do on a Linux install is do a sudo apt-get update. This will update all of the software packages that are available. It's basically a list of all the available software or a series of lists of available software. That way when you go to install software, it knows what software is out there and it will pull down the latest versions. The next thing we're going to do is a sudo apt-get install ca-certificates and curl. These are two separate applications, and it looks like these are already installed, and they're already in the newest version. The next thing we're going to want to do is install, set permissions on this install. I did misspell install back here. All right, we've set that. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to use the curl command to pull down a keyring so that all of the signed packages can be verified. I'm going to paste this in here. As you can see, there's a URL where the keyring is stored, and we're going to go ahead and execute that. The next thing we want to do is change the permissions on this key so that we can use it. And that's done. Now the next thing we want to do, and this is a little bit of a longer command, we're going to want to add the Docker repository to the apt sources list. So when you do an apt-get install, it's going to check the sources list, and it's from those lists that it gets the list of available software. We're going to paste this in. What we're doing here is we're echoing this command into Debian, and it's going to update the sources.list.d list with a new list that says docker.list. That's going to be the list of all of the available Docker packages. And then we're going to sudo apt-get update again, because now we're updating the list of available software, and it's going to include the list that we just added. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to download all of the software that we need. The software that we're going to install is docker-ce, docker-ce-cli, containerd.io, docker-buildx-plugin, docker-compose-plugin. This will install the Docker engine as well as Docker Compose. I'm going to confirm that I want to eat up some hard drive space with this install. I'm going to say yes. And just like that, it took less than a minute to install. Now this actually didn't install Docker Compose, but it installed the dependencies that are required for the install. But before we do that, we're going to verify that the Docker engine is running. We're going to sudo docker run hello world, and there we have it. We downloaded the Docker hello world container. It echoed hello from Docker. The message shows that the installation is working correctly. Now the last command that we're going to run is sudo apt install docker-compose. This will install all of the Python dependencies and all of the other dependencies as well as Docker Compose itself. And we're done. So now we've installed Docker from scratch, we've installed all the dependencies, and we are ready to start deploying containers or applications through Docker Compose. Hey guys, while editing this video I realized that the bottom of the screen was cut off, so I'm going to just show a screen of the commands that I ran so that you know exactly what to do. I do want to take a moment to say thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future content. If you have any ideas or requests for content on other technologies or other systems that you'd like me to cover, please drop a comment down below and I'd be more than happy to do a tutorial just for you. Thank you and God bless.